Hey everyone, my name is Mitesh Chalapa from Bibliomaniac Cinephile, and today we are going to talk about Navarasa. So Navarasa is a Netflix anthology series produced and presented by director Mani Ratnam and Jayendra Panchapakesan. So Navarasa is an initiative to raise funds to support those in the Tamil cinema industry who are affected by the pandemic situation. Navarasa means 9 emotions, and that's what we are going to see in this anthology series. 9 emotions, 9 stories from 9 different directors. So now we have decided that we will be making 9 different videos talking about the 9 emotions, or rather I should say 9 stories. Let us start with the very first emotion, that is Karunai, which is compassion or mercy. This episode or the film has been titled as Ediri, which means enemy. This story has been written by director Mani Ratnam and directed by Vijay Nambia, starring big names like Vijay Sethupathi, Prakash Raj and Revati. What is Karunai? Or I should say, what is compassion? So this is what Google has to say. Sympathetic pity and concern for the sufferings or misfortunes of others. Yeah, that is. Personally, I was not sure how exactly I would frame it in a simple sentence so that I could explain someone what is compassion. Like in that sense, I think that compassion is a really tough topic to put out as a story. And in that sense, hats off to director Mani Ratnam to write a story around that whole concept of compassion, and to Vijay Nambia for the direction. The whole point of shooting this video is that I shoot a review without giving out any spoilers. Now, in that sense, if I have to talk about the story, I would say that the story of Ediri is really very simple. You watch it and you go along with it like, okay, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening. Okay, very good, I got it. But then, if you take your time and sit back and think about it, you might think, ki, is this how it was supposed to be? Is the decision taken by whoever that person is, whatever they did, is that right? Is that how you would have done things if you were in their place? Now, that is the whole elegance of the story. Elegance of director Mani Ratnam's writing. Because at first it's really simple. You're like, yes, nice, okay, I got it. But then if you take your time, it is actually very thought provoking. You sit and think about it, and it will take you a day or so for you to process it completely. Okay. Which is why I said that compassion is a tough topic, not just to write a story about it or to grasp it as a story. Now let's talk about the acting. The acting is very subtle. Yes, that is what was required for the story. The acting needed to be subtle. Vijay Sethupathi's dialogue delivery seems very subtle. But in real, there is a lot of depth to everything that he says in the whole film. And Prakash Raj and Revati proved time and again as to why they are considered as one of the best actors in the Tamil industry. Overall, Ediri has a good story with good acting, which was expected from the cast. I would like to end this video by saying there would be a song which would be played in the background. Just listen to it. You will like it. So that's all for this video, and I'll catch you with another rasa, or I should say emotion. Till then, bye bye.